What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we got the Galaxy Tab S11. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. As you can see, I already got a sneak peek. So the tabs, I pulled it off already. This here is the gray version, 512 gigabyte storage, and it's the 11-inch. As you can see, it's not big as its predecessor. In the box, we got the tablet right here. We got the newly designed S Pen, which is I kind of like the feel of this one. Feels like a regular pen and stuff like that. What else we got? We got the SIM ejector tool. And we also have a USB cable, Type C. And that's it for everything in the box. Let's go ahead on and take the paper off of here. Boom, and voila, there she goes. So as y'all know, all the tabs have 4 speakers, 2 on each side. Got your USB port right here. Got your volume up and down, power button, microphones on each side of the device. You also have your storage expansion slot, which is your SD card. Yeah, I kind of like the design. The camera is pretty nice too. It's pretty big. It's bigger than last year's version. These 3 prongs right here, this will connect to the keyboard. That's how you connect to the keyboard. So let's power it on. Let's see what we get. There's that logo everybody likes and love. Yeah, this S Pen is really nice. They stripped away the Bluetooth functionality, so there's no Bluetooth on the S Pen. Yeah, that feels good. Also, last year the S Pen used to go on the back of the tablet, but it don't anymore. It goes right up top here, kind of, you know, on the side where your power button and your volume button is, and it snaps right on. You can feel the magnets. It's pretty strong. I can do that and it won't come off, but that's not to say you won't lose it. You know, if it's just like this. So this is the Tab S11, 11-inch version. I'll be back once I get all my data in here, and I'll walk you guys through the OS.